everyone, welcome to my channel Heartfulness Om. Today I'm going to share with you lactocalamine skin balance, this lactocalamine moisturizer. Yes, I have recently purchased this little cute bottle. It has like small bottle like this also, like I haven't got that, but this one I have purchased. And this is not a sponsored video, this is my own genuine review. So yes, this it's been like I think 15 days I've been using this lactocalamine skin balance daily nourishing lotion, and this is for oil control. This one comes for like oily skin. There is another one cream also that is for I think dry skin. So this is for oily to normal skin, and I have been applying this cream for 15 days, and today also I have applied this moisturizer, and this is so nice. I just can't tell you, I just love this bottle. Seriously, I'm just in love with this bottle. So let's start with the review. First of all, this is for oily to normal skin, and after that the price of this product is rupees 99. That means you can say 100 rupees for 99 for 60 ml, this much. Yeah, quantity is like okay, not good or not less or much, whatever. After that, this is a daily moisturizer for oily skin. Then let me open this. This is how you open this tube, like this. So you can see this is the moisturizer. It's of slightly pink color, but you can say this is of peach color. And the one thing I don't like about this moisturizer, like of this lactocalamine skin moisturizer, that is the packaging, because this comes in this bottle and you will not be able to finish this cream completely, because you will apply it like this, you will take in your finger like this and all, but you will not be able to finish it completely like other which I have reviewed, that is aloe vera moisturizer, something like this aloe vera moisturizer, that was in a tub tube type. I mean, that was in a tub, so you were able to use that completely. So let's talk about this only. No, we'll not shift to that. So yeah, I don't like the packaging of this product, because you will not be able to use it completely. After that, it is like here and here, it becomes little bit messy for me to use this. And after that, let me just show you this. This is the, you have to use this like take only small part. So this is how it looks. You have to use very less amount of the moisturizer, otherwise you will have much. So yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, little bit messy. So just apply it like this on your face after washing your face, like this. And as soon you apply this, it just starts to dry up immediately. So like this, and it's feeling like very drying up. It's drying up very, it's not like any other creams like a normal moisturizer. It's slightly different, and it gives you like matte finish at the end. This is how you apply on your face. Take the small portion of the lotion, because if you will take much cream, then you will not be able to spread it properly, because I have taken much, so it's taking time for me to spread it. So as soon as you finish applying it, spreading it on your skin, it just dries up completely, and you can see the difference, if you can notice, if the camera can focus. So yeah, actually you can use this cream, this lotion as a primer also. That means as a makeup base. So it's like my skin is so dried up like this. I'm feeling so dry, but it's just my skin absorbs it completely. So it gives you matte finish at the end. My skin, as compared to the arm, so it becomes slightly white, little bit of white color. You can see so messy it is. I just don't like the packaging. I don't know why I'm saying again and again, but I don't like the packaging of this product. So yeah, I've applied it on my like hand. So it gives very smooth texture to your face. You can use this as a makeup base. Regularly you can apply this lotion. This is so nice. I'm just in like, I would say in like how to make heart. like this something. Yeah, I just love this lactocalamine. As the time I have purchased it, I was not sure that it will suit my skin or like blah blah blah, but when I applied this on my face for like, it's been like 15 days, I'm like totally in love with this moisturizer, and I'm sure I will again buy this moisturizer soon when this will finish. And this is best for oily skin, because my skin is oily, acne prone combination. I don't know what, but yes, mostly it's oily skin. So I apply this on my face, and it does not like make my skin much oily. For like I was in the office today, so it was so like my skin was not getting oily, like as compared to other days my skin gets on the T-zone of my face, I get oil, but after applying this I get oil but very less. After that yeah, I love the fragrance of lactocalamine. It's good, not bad or good, but yeah, it's fine, fragrance is good. Quantity is little bit less, as like for rupees 100. I think quantity is little bit less, but it's worth buying this. I don't think it gives sun protection. Let me see if I can find. Okay, let's tell you what's it. Okay, let me tell you what it's written here. It lactocalamine, it says oil control. Here it is written oil control, a water based lotion with tri-action formula that absorbs excessive oil and gives you a problem free skin every day. Yeah, it does that. It is written here, that means it does that, because I have noticed that on my skin. After that, this is water based, non greasy, alcohol free. That's really nice. After that, let's talk about the ingredients of this product. It has aqua, light kaolin, castor oil, glycerin, zinc oxide, zinc carbonate, lubrifiers, preservatives, perfumes, and permitted colors. So that means zinc oxide, I think, gives little bit of sun protection. That means if you go for like if you are under the sun for like 20 minutes, half an hour, then it's okay. It will help you. It will help your skin to like protect your skin from the sun. But if under the sun for like more than 2 hours, 3, that means it doesn't claims to be sun protected cream. So I don't think it's a much thing to bother about. It's last, I think I have decided something after reviewing any product. I have decided that at the end of my video I'm going to give marks to the product which I have reviewed. So to this product I would like to give 10, not 10, 9.5 out of 10, but I'm giving 8.5 out of 10 for this product, because this is not, I think, sun protected, doesn't like doesn't have SPF. That I don't like the packaging. Yes, and quantity is little bit less, but the positive points of these products are daily moisturizer for oily skin, smooth texture, makeup base, as you can use it as a makeup base, best for oily skin, fragrance is really nice, and this is best. This is very nice product for oily skin. I think you should go and purchase this product if you want. And yes, this video is not sponsored. This is my own, I have purchased this product for my own money, so I'm not promoting any product. But my skin is oily. I have been using this for 20 days or 15 days, and I love this product. That's why I'm sharing with you, so that it can help you as people who are with oily skin, acne prone skin, like that. Dry skin people, I'm really sorry, I can't tell you because I don't have dry skin, so I'm not sure. So yeah, if you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel for more videos on cooking, beauty, hairstyle, hair care, and my daily life vlogs. And do please check out my channel for more videos on and more reviews on products and for whatever. So please subscribe to my channel and comment below if you like the review, and I will see you soon with any other product to review that, or any other video. So till then, take care.